What's up guys, welcome back to Concept Fitness, and in today's video we're going to go over the progression that I like to use for bar muscle ups that usually help people build up the correct movement patterns and get the idea down. But we're going to go over the big fault that I see when people try to do it, and it ends up leading to them still not doing bar muscle ups. So what a lot of people, the thing that is needed for a bar muscle up is incredible lat strength and body awareness. So you have to have a really good kip and then incredibly strong lats. If you're lacking one of those areas, this is my favorite progression, but what people tend to do is they kind of skip the lat portion of the exercise and they just go through the motion and kind of use their lower body, which is okay to use your lower body, but only to a certain extent. So, for example, what I see a lot of is people just bending their knees, jumping straight up, and then pulling themselves onto the bar. So it looks like this. Even though it looks good, it looks like they're essentially doing a bar muscle up, it's not teaching them how to pull with their lats. They're just using a lot of biceps to bring it up here and then extend, which is what we don't want. So what I tell people to do is practice a normal kip like you would for a toes to bar, you would for a pull-up, anything like that. So you're going to get a big swing through, you'll come back, pull down with your lats, and once you feel that momentum stop, you're going to pull the bar to your belly button and lay on top of the bar. So it'll look like this. Good. Once that starts getting, if it looks hard and it looks pretty difficult, cool, do that for your workout. If you need to scale down the reps, that's fine, but it should be challenging. If this starts to get easier and starts to feel more fluid, then you can lower the box down, decrease the height, but the goal is to use the least amount of legs as possible and just focus on getting the big swing, pulling down with your lats, and then getting on top of the bar. So thank you for my assistant Shauna for demoing. If you guys have any questions or comments on the bar muscle up, make sure you leave them down below. We'll see you guys next time.